indices. Now, what do I mean by indices or powers? This is a number with a power. Okay? It doesn't have to be just a number. You can have letters with powers. And we'll see how we get these. Let's look at example 1. What we're going to do is, we're going to, and this is what the instruction looks like. So write this down, boys and girls. Rewrite using index or power notation. Sounds very complicated. It isn't really. So copy that down, and let's look at a couple of examples. Here we go. 5 times 5 times 5. Now that takes a bit of time to write. So we rewrite it as this. 5 to the power or index 3. The power or index is the number of times that number 5 appeared in this string of multiplications. Let's go through that again. Here you go. Example 2. So if you write this down, if I come across in a moment and see your books without these examples, I shall not be that happy. 7 times 7 times 7 times 7 times 7 times 7. Whew. Well, you don't want to keep rewriting that now, do you? There's an easier and a far quicker way of writing it. We write it as 7 to the power or index. Oh, there's so many. Let's count them. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 appearances of 7. So it's going to be 7 to the power of 6. Now, copy down your third example. Maybe you can work out what the answer is. We're going to rewrite this one here in index or power notation. But it's got letters, so copy this down. M times M times M times M. Now, how could I rewrite that using index notation? It's going to be M to what power, anybody? Who's going to put the hand up first? Yes, young lad in the middle there, yeah? What is it? M to the power 4. Let's see if he's right. There are 1, 2, 3, 4 appearances of M. So it's M to the power 4. Very good. Now, one more example, but this time we've got 2 letters. Here you go. R times R. So copy this down. Times R. Times S. Times S. Now, how can I write that using index notation? Yes, young lady. Yeah.
So I think it's R and to the power of 5.
No. You're right, it's RS, because we've got R's and S. But you've counted all the letters. But I don't have 5 R's, and I don't have 5 S's. Could anybody think of how we might have another go at it? Yes, in the middle. Okay? R to the what power? I thought you knew, that's why you put your hand up. Good. R3 and very good. We pronounce that as R to the power 3 or R cubed and S to the power 2 or S squared. Let's see where they came from. Here we go. We've got 1, 2, 3 R's. That's why the power of r is 3. And we've got s to the power of 2. So it's s to the power of 2. If you don't count the number of different letters, you count each one individually. I'll go through it once more so it's a bit clearer. Here you go. Example 5. It's the last one we'll do, and then we'll do some practice. X times X. Oops, they're terrible looking X's, aren't they? So it's X times X times X times X times Y times Y. Ooh. And I'm going to write that as X to some power and Y to some power. Can anybody tell me who's a... Yes, young lady. It's going to be X to the power...
X to the power of 1.
Good.
Y to the power of 2.
Very good, miss. Let's just double check. Well, I shouldn't be double checking because I just said it was very good. So I know it's right. Let's just remind you though where they came from. There you go, they're the 4 X's that are being multiplied together. And here we have the 2 Y's. There you go.